You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this Irish name, and we'll be looking at how to say more confusing names from Ireland that too many people mispronounce indeed. Stay tuned. In Ireland, indeed, it's said as Cormac, Cormac, but generally in other English-speaking countries, it's often said as Cormac, Cormac. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounce. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.